everyone, welcome back. It's MG Crypto. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Make sure to join our Telegram channel and do not forget to click the link in the description of this video. You get redirected to my Shiba Inu giveaway bot. It's so easy to use. The Shiba Inu giveaway bot is so easy to use. All you need to do is to just click the link, start the bot, then you start doing simple tasks that is going to earn you Shiba Inu token. You could also earn the Shiba Inu token for referring friends. It's so easy. Alright guys, so the main purpose of this video is to show you guys how to swap your Metaufo token. So a lot of people actually bought this token. A lot of people got it for free from the airdrop that the owner of the coins, the owners of the coin actually did. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing that straight up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a good comment in the comment section. Alright guys, so let's start off the video. First of all, I'll be launching my Trustwallet. Real quick. Alright. So guys, it has been proven to me right now that the Metaufo token can be transferred. It can actually be transferred. It's transferable like other coins. Alright guys, so this is the Metaufo experiment I did from this my second wallet. I literally transferred the sum of 2 Metaufo token to test whether this actually works, whether the token is transferable, and it actually worked. I received it in my second wallet, but the problem we're having right now is the problem of swapping this token. So in recent times, the time that we heard that the token is ready to be swapped, it can be swapped. Okay, let me show you the Telegram post. So guys, like the moment I saw this, I was so happy. I thought that, man, the Metaufo token that I bought and the one that I claimed via the airdrop would be easy for me to just withdraw and have some cash. But guys, that's what I'm going to be experimenting on today. As you can see, the write-up, they said many Metaufo holders have unlocked and sold their Metaufo token. Please complete the unlock as soon as possible and wait for your Metaufo token to take off. Alright guys, so this is what I'll be doing straight up. I'll first show you guys how to unlock the token. But guys, as you can see, the Metaufo token is set to, according to their developers, they said that the token would be at least $5 per one token before it unlocks. But as you can see, it's stuck at 4 cents. Alright guys, so I'll quickly show you how to unlock it. So if you go to their Telegram channel, you will be redirected. You copy the link, the metaufonlock.com, then you get redirected to this page. Alright guys, so as you can see, my main balance here that is left for me to unlock is just 4,547 Metaufo token for me to unlock, and I've unlocked the sum of 450 Metaufo token, which I unlocked with 1 BUSD. So to unlock the remaining ones here in my balance, it costs 10 USD, but I won't risk that. I can't unlock it, and I will not be able to withdraw it at last. Alright guys, so first of all, I'll go try swapping the one I have unlocked, the 450 Metaufo token that I have unlocked. I'll go try swapping it, but first of all, let me check the price of the 450 Metaufo. So 450 Metaufo is equivalent to over 19 United States dollars. So if I'm able to withdraw that amount of Metaufo right now, if I'm able to withdraw it, I would go ahead to unlocking the remaining ones I have. I won't make such risk. So guys, this stuff is very risky. Like the Teke token, it did something similar to this. it did something similar to this. All these tokens, they are kind of complicating. They always do something like this. You need to first unlock the token before you're able to use it, which is so devastating. Alright guys, so let me quickly search for it. The Meta UFO token. The Meta UFO token. Alright guys, so this is it. This is it. This is the way of getting scammed. Way of getting scammed. A lot of those tokens can just come up, get promoted and scam you so beware. Alright guys, so let me try doing it. The Meta UFO. The Meta UFO, let me try swapping. Alright, so I'll click on, let me try doing 40, let me try swapping 40. Let me do that as a test. 40 Meta UFO token to BNB. As you could see, it was dismissed actually. I'm not able to swap that. Alright guys, so let's use BUSD. Let's use BUSD. So I'll click on 40 equivalent to 1 BUSD, and click on the confirm swap button. As you could see, the same thing. Let me try increasing the slippage tolerance. So let me put this to 5%. All right. If you have seen these, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. All right. So the slippage tolerance right now, right here, is 5% rather. So I'll click on the swap button again. It says the input token cannot be transferred. There may be an issue with the input token, but all I know, guys, all I know about this stuff is that you can actually do transfer from one wallet to another, but don't see any reason why it is still difficult to swap the token. Alright guys, so this is how to unlock. Least I forget. Lest I forget rather. Alright guys, so when you copy that stuff, when you've copied the link in their Telegram group, kindly paste it in your DS browser on um Trustwallet. Then click on the enable button. You'll be charged with some amount of BNB. Then you unlock it with the amount of USDT that would be stated there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.